since nakikita ko nandun sa MTRCB ngayon, yung heart na yon, yung heart na maging guardian ng values ng ating youth, di ba? Baka they'd like to make a study regarding the MTRCB law. All these funny things on TV, on social media, is our way ng outlet. Pero tapos na yung COVID, pero hindi pa tapos yung pandemic sa mental health. No? So let me stop there and just encourage MTRCB that as you look at basically film and television, I would encourage you to make a study, and kung kailangan ng pondo for that study and international or local experts, di ba? To look at contemporary Filipino values that we can agree on, and then look nga in the new digital media, or even kahit hindi sa TikTok, Facebook, let's say Amazon, Netflix, HBO, di ba? So are they allowed na kahit anong ipakita? So ako, I wouldn't mind really MTRCB having a research arm, because it's really difficult. I mean, hindi naman pwede kung sino chairman, values niya. Di ba? So hindi naman pwedeng pagka very liberal yung chairman, bahala na kayo lahat ng gusto nyo. Pag very conservative, eto. So, but we do have to have a standard, and siguro the first standard is the Philippine Constitution, who makes mention of the Lord Almighty sa preamble pa lang, di ba? But another would be probably research, di ba? Na as you get the data from the communities, I really wouldn't mind, Your Honor, Mr. Chairman, if they had a good amount, no, a few millions for a research project or a continuing research project to keep themselves updated.
And indeed, I agree with Senator Cayetano that the MTRCB is operating on a relatively old law and will not be able to address the challenges of the modern times and the digital age. And we will ensure that the MTRCB will furnish the good senator, the concerned Senate committee, with the results of the study that they will conduct. And I just received an information that several of our colleagues had already filed a resolution to expand the powers of the MTRCB